Hello children. So today we are going to make a rainbow. Okay children, rainbow I am going to make here. So I will show you step by step. You just follow my instruction. Okay children. First what we are going to make? First we will make one curved line, a big curved line in the middle of the piece. Okay children. A big curved line here we will make for the rainbow. Okay children, ready? Yes. So now what we will make here? We will make clouds. We will make here clouds. See, I have made one cloud here, and this side also we will make one more cloud. It's very easy. Clouds. See children, I have made two clouds. Okay, and now we will add here more curved lines. Okay children, we will make here more curved lines. Slowly we will go. See, first one. See, I have made two curved lines. Okay, next one more curved line we will draw here. One by one we will go down. Okay, next one more curved line. So like this we will make here 1 2 3 4. 4 we have done. Again we will make done. Okay, next 1 2 3 4 5 6. One more line. Done. So we have completed the rainbow. Now we will color here. Okay, we can make here some bird. We can make here some birds like this. See everyone, we have made some birds. Now we will start coloring. Okay children, ready? So first we are going to use the violet color. Ready children? This is my violet color, and we will start from here. Violet color, we will start from here. See children, like this. Slowly from one side. Okay children, see, slowly from one side we will do. लाइन से कलर बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, एकदम slowly. ठीक है children? So this is the violet color we have done. Okay children, violet color we have done. Next we will use dark blue color. Okay children, see, this is dark blue. We will use here indigo color. We will use okay. Next light blue we are going to use here. Step by step we are going to run. Okay, then next we will use green color. Here see, we will use here green color. Then children see, next we will use yellow color. Orange color. Now we will use red color. Step by step we will go here. So we have completed the rainbow coloring. Okay children, now we will make the clouds. Okay, clouds we will make. I am using dark blue here. Okay children, first outline I am going to use the dark blue color here like this. Here also we will use Done. Okay, now what we will do, now I will use the dark blue here like this. Like this we will do, and here also same thing we will do. Done. See children, done. Now we will make the sky color here. Okay, sky color we will do from one side. See children, from one side we will do slowly like this. Children, see, we have completed a sky color. Okay, so now we will use the dark blue color for the bird. Okay, for the birds we are going to use the dark blue color here. Like this we are going to complete the coloring. See children, ऐसे ही तुम लोगों को करना होगा घर में, ठीक है? एंड नेक्स्ट क्लास में क्या चाहिए तुमको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के देना चिल्ड्रन. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आई विल ट्राई टू मेक द ड्राइंग फॉर यू. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग. बाय बाय एवरीवन.